Myself Manashti. I am explaining about non-banking financial companies. Here, what is non-banking financial companies? Non-banking financial companies does not have banking license and does not accept deposits from the people. I am explaining about the table contents of topic. What is Nbfc? Types of Nbfc. Bank versus Nbfc. How to get Nbfc license? Service offered by Nbfc. What is Nbfc? Company registered under Companies Act 1956, engaged in financial services like loans and advances, acquisition of shares, bonds, debentures issued by government, leasing and hiring purchase, insurance and chit business. A non-banking institution which is a company and has principal business of receiving deposits under any scheme or arrangements in lump sum or in installments by way in contributions or in any other manner is also non-banking financial company is or residuary non-banking company. Next one is I am explaining about types of NBFC. Asset finance company. Finance for physical assets like vehicle and machinery. Offers lease financing. Second one is investment company. Invests in securities. Engaged in the acquisition of securities. Next third one is loans company. Provides various types of loans, personal, housing, education. Offers advances. Next one is fourth one. Infrastructure finance company focuses on long-term finance for infrastructure projects, supports national infrastructure development. Microfinance institution caters to financial needs of low-income individuals, provides small ticket loans. These microfinance institutions loans useful for the small scale industries. Next sixth one is core investment company. This is the non-banking financial companies with asset of Rs 1,000 crore or more. Significant huge influence on the finance stabilities of India's financial system. Next one I am explaining about how bank will differentiate from the NBFC. Here first one is bank license for operations. Bank requires license, but NBFC offers banking like services without a bank license. Next one is regulated by bank was regulated by Regulating Act 1949 RBI Act 1934, NBFC Companies Act 2013 RBI Act and 1934. Here demand draft. Here, demand draft means a person can transfer a transaction the money from one bank to another bank. Bank can issue, but NBMC cannot issue. Transactional services provide deposits, cash, withdrawal, payment, etc. But NBFC does not provide such services. Next one is CRR and LSR. Here, what is CRR and LSR? CRR means cash reserve ratio and SLR means statutory reserve ratio. Here, these ratios that must bank maintain according to the RBI must mandatorily maintain these ratios. For NBFC need not maintain these ratios. Credit ratios in bank create credit, but in NBFC do not create credit. Foreign investment eligible for foreign investment up to 74% in the bank, but in NBFC eligible for foreign investment up to 100%. Checks bank can make checks payable to itself, but NBFC cannot make checks payable to itself. Here I am explaining about prerequisites for NBFC registration. Company registration under Companies Act 2013, minimum net owned funds of 200 lakhs means 2 crore. Experienced directors with financial sectors expertise. Clear CIBL record for the company. CIBL means Credit Information Bureau Limited. Record for the company. Adhere FEAM guidelines. Next one is application process. I am explaining about step by step for obtaining the application of NBFC. Download and complete the NBFC license application form from RBI website. Submit the application online and receive ARN. ARN means reference number. Send a hard copy of application to the RBI or regional office. The RBI examines applications and supporting documents. The RBI generally takes around 6 to 9 months to process NBFC license applications. Next, major NBFC players: Aditya Birla Capital, Bajaj Financial, and L&T Finance Holding Limited, Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company Limited, Muthoot Fincorp, Shriram Finance Ltd, and Poonawalla Fincorp. Here I am explaining about service offered by NBFC. These provide loans and advances, credit services, savings and investment plans, insurance business, chit business, more transfer services, provide education funding, retirement planning, underwriting stocks and shares, customer centric approach, accessibility and exclusivity, and technology and integration, and risk management and compliances. Thank you, sir.